You are listening from Story Collective YouTube channel. Good evening. Today's headline: Uncertainty continues in TN over government formation. Congress High Command highly to name Kerala CM tomorrow. Suvendu Adhikari to take oath as Bengal Chief Minister today. Delhi must move beyond being political capital, become global, future-ready city, LG Santu. MLA 6 review of user fee surge at Jiwar Airport. Rallies, posters mark Congress leadership race in Kerala as Tuchel spills on streets. Governor duty bound to invite TVK to form government, says plea in SC. Only Congress can defeat BJP's ideology of hatred, Rahul Gandhi. Tension prevails in Tamil Nadu town after MIF DMK workers attack Congress functionaries. 17 dinars in new cabinet, only one Muslim minister. Tejaswi hits out at NDA government in Bihar. Stop house demolition under grab of anti-drug campaign, Jammu and Kashmir minister. Saini attacks AAP government over law and order failures in Punjab, BJP spreading politics for fear. Mand. Hospital deaths in Kota, health activists demand strict action. Odisha police arrest 5 for lynching amid opened uproar. Will conduct structural audit of government school CM. Telangana government issue guidelines for Musi rejuvenation project. Women dies in AP police station can cry foul. Restored version of Zone Ibrahim's classic movie Amma Aryantu for premiere at Cannes. Karnataka proposes Wisdom Valley in Bengaluru Airport City. The news in details. Uncertainty prevailed over government formation in Tamil Nadu on Friday night as Biduthalai Sidu Thagal Kachi VCK remained undecided on the banking actor C. Joseph Vijay Tamila Veti Kazagam TVK through Communist Party of India and CPI Marxists of for unconditional support to the party. Indian Union Muslim League leader Khader Modin said his party has not given any letter of support to TVK. Late evening, Mr. Vijay called Tamil Nadu government Rajendra Vishwanath Arekar for the third time, staking claim to form the government. After receiving the support of the lay parties, his poll front tally stood 116, still short of halfway mark in 234-member House. Till the filling of this report well past midnight, the Lok Bhavan did not issue any communication on the governor's decision. In a development past midnight, Makkal Munetra Kazagamti TK Dinakaran accused the TBK of submitting the governor the protocopy of force letter claiming it has the support of his party lone MLA-elect S. Kamaras. The TBK, who is claimed to be pure force, has indulged in forgery in the hope that later they could indulge in horse trading and buy our own MLA as it would not attract any anti-defection law. The decision of Congress minister in Kerala seems to assume the contours of political cliffhanger on Friday. The question of whom among the three chief ministers probable leader of the opposition V.D. Satishan, All India Congress Committee General Secretary K.C. Venugopal and senior leader Ramesh Senthilthala, who could make the cut, appeared to set to go down the wire, with party high command reportedly scheduled to make the pivotal announcement on Sunday. The MLAs-elect of BJP in West Bengal unanimously elected Suvendu Adhikari as the leader of the legislative party on Friday. Union Home Minister Amit Shah, who presided over the meeting, said all the proposals were received in favor of Mr. Adhikari. Accompanied by several leaders of BJP state until including Dilip Ghosh, Loket Chatterjee and Tapas Roy, chief ministers designate reached Lok Bhavan and met Governor R.N. Ravi to take claim to form the government. The BJP had won 207 seats while TMC was reduced to 80 seats. Lieutenant Governor L.G. Taranjit Singh Sandhu on Friday said Delhi must move beyond being only the country political capital and become a future-ready global city built on 5 pillars: sustainability, inclusion, culture, innovation, economic growth, and compassion. He was speaking at a felicitation ceremony organized for him by Jawaharlal Nehru University's School of International Studies, of which he is the alumnus. Mr. Sandhu said Delhi has continuously evolved over centuries, is now at another important stage in its development. Jishore MLA Dhirendra Singh on Friday expressed concern over the proposed user development fee and other passenger surge at upcoming Noida International Airport in Jewar. He submitted a detailed representation to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, among others, seeking a reassessment of the charges. Joking for a Chief Minister post in Kerala seems barely below the surface on Friday. Hoardings and marches in support of leaders of opposition VD Satishan, All India Congress Committee, General Secretary Organization KC Venugopal and Senior Party Leader Ramesh Senithala, touted by their respective supporters as ideal picks to lead the new United Democratic Front government and continue to proliferate across urban centers in the state. The High Command repeated reconstruction against public display of factional loyalty notwithstanding. Tensions prevailed in the Mayiladurai on Friday after a group of DMK cadre allegedly attacked Congress functionaries and threw the National Party flag on the road following demonstration organized by Congress as part of statewide protest held to condemn government Rajendra Vishwanath Arekar for not inviting Tamila Vitri Kazhagam TVK President C. Joseph Vijay to form the government. Leaders of opposition in the Bihar Assembly, Tejasvi Yadav, took on the ruling National Democratic Alliance on Friday over the influence of dynasty in the newly expanded state cabinet, which he said has 17 children from political families. Poet and writer K. Sachidanand has resigned from his post as president of Kerala Sahitya Academy in Thrissur, Kerala. Health activists in Rajasthan on Friday demanded strengthening action on the death of 2 women after cesarean deliveries at New Medical College Hospital in Kota, saying the incident has exposed deep systematic failure in the public health system related to drugs procurement, storage, quality testing, monitoring, and accountability mechanism. 40 years after John Abraham met Amma Aryan, one of the remarkable independent films to come out of Kerala, a 4K restoration of the film is said to be premiere at Cannes Film Festivals. Before ending bulletins, the headlines once again. Uncertainty continues in TN over government formation. Suvendu Adhikari to take oath as Bengal Chief Ministers today. Delhi must move beyond being political capital, become global, future-ready CT, CG Sandhu. Rallies, posters mark Congress leadership race in Kerala as tussle split on 2 streets. Governor duty bound to invite TVK to form government, says plea in SC. That is the end of the news bulletin. Have a nice day.